Hey, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of spending hours brainstorming social media posts, writing captions, and trying to stay consistent across every platform? Most business owners and creators know the struggle. Content eats up time that should be spent growing your business. That's where Vocable AI comes in. It's an AI-powered content planner that can generate 30 days of content in minutes, tailored to your brand's voice. And the best part? Right now, it's available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo, so no endless monthly subscriptions. Here are a few things that make Vocable AI worth a closer look. First up, brand profiles. Just drop in your website URL, and Vocable builds a profile for you, defining your value proposition, your tone of voice, and your target audience. That means your content feels consistent, not like random AI text. Next, the 30-day content plan generator. With one prompt, Vocable creates a full month of posts across multiple channels. Think Instagram, LinkedIn, blogs, even YouTube ideas. No more starting with a blank page. You get a clear roadmap instantly. Then there's the built-in editor and health score. Instead of guessing whether your draft is ready to publish, Vocable gives you a quality score and lets you fine-tune on the spot. Perfect if you want polished content without hiring an editor. And here's what really saves time: direct publishing. You can connect your social accounts in WordPress, then schedule or post right from Vocable. No extra scheduling tools needed, which means fewer subscriptions draining your budget. Now, normally tools like this cost anywhere from $49 to $99 a month. But through AppSumo, you can grab lifetime access starting at just $79 one time. If you manage multiple brands or run an agency, the higher tiers even unlock unlimited brand voices and team seats without recurring fees. Of course, no AI tool is perfect. You'll still want to tweak drafts before posting. But if you're looking to save hours every week and finally stay consistent with your content, Vocable AI is a smart investment. If you want to check out the Vocable AI lifetime deal before it disappears, I've left a link in the description. Go take a look, see if it's right for you, and start creating content faster without the monthly stress. And don't forget to subscribe for more SaaS and lifetime deal reviews.